Hi, as part of HackerRank SQL Solutions, we are going to discuss about the given problem. First, try to understand the problem, okay, before going to solve it. So, the problem which they have given is query the name field for all American cities in the city table with the population larger than 12 lakh. Okay, the country code for America is USA. So, based on this country code and based on the population, we need to write a query. It is similar to previous query only, but we need to query again. Try to understand the problem. We need to query only name field, not all the columns. Okay, this is what we have to understand. So in order to query or fetch the values, we need to use select. So instead of star from, what we need to give, you can use name field. Okay, instead of star, you can use name. Select name from, what is the table name here? City. Again, what are the conditions we need to provide? Where the country code for America is USA, where country code equal to USA. There is one more condition. So both the condition should satisfy, and population greater than or equal to 12 lakhs. 12 lakhs. Okay. So what I'm going to do here, where country code equal to USA and population greater than or equal to 12. So this is the query we need to write. Again, see, query the name field for all the American cities. Okay, the country code is USA from city table. The population is larger than 12 lakhs. Just try to run the code. See, this is our output. This is expected output. Okay, both are matching. Both are matching. So that means we have solved the problem. Now try to submit the code. Now try to submit the code. Okay, all the test cases are passed. All the test cases are passed. Yeah, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.